Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Nasrin Padasale. So in this video, we are going to discuss list of questions that were challenged by students with regard to CSE or UGC NET Life Sciences Shift 1. First question is 703079. The answer that was officially given was option number 2. That is statement A is correct, statement C is correct and statement E is also correct. But many students has challenged this particular question. If you are the one who had challenged this particular question, means please do tell me for which reason you had challenged this question. If possible, please to add up the reference article that you had sent for CSIR. Second question is question ID 703085, that is with regarding to lacoperon and tripopron. From NTA they just mentioned statement number A and statement number B alone is correct, but many students are demanding along with statement number A, B, statement number D is also correct like that they are telling. Please do share your input with regarding to this particular question. Next question is of question number 703102. From NT they just mentioned option number 3 is correct. That is only statement number A is alone correct. But according to me, both statement number A and statement number B is also correct. Because we all know plastoquinone, that is QA is a mobile carrier. So why they didn't tell that particular B option is correct, I don't know. But according to me, option number 1 is correct. So you will be getting question like if CSIR has accepted the challenge, who will be getting mark like that you will be having. CSIR doesn't release any protocol. We don't know whether who will be getting mark. For these kind of questions, if they are changing option, like in the provisional answer key, they just mention option 3 is correct. But in the final answer key, they mention option 1 is correct. Those students who have selected option number 1 alone will be getting mark. Okay. Next question is with regarding to karyotyping. So from NTA, they just mentioned option 2 is correct. I don't know why student has challenged this particular question. So this question is 703069. If you are challenged this particular question, please do add up your reason for challenging. The next question is 703116. So according to me, the answer is correct. So NTA has mentioned option number 2 is correct, like nucleotide breaks phosphodiester bond, nitrogenous bases breaks N-glycosidic bond, and nucleosides removes phosphate group, and ssDNA will be breaking hydrogen bond. So if you search in website, normally in it's not authentic website, they just mention ssDNA, that is single cell DNA, will not form hydrogen bond like that they will be telling us. But if you go on searching for few research-based articles, they will be telling like single stranded DNA are soluble in water, so they will be forming a hydrogen bond with water. So the correct answer they had given, nothing wrong in it. And next is question number 703031. So the answer that was given by NTA is correct only. I don't know why student has challenged this particular question. And same for this question also, many students challenged this particular question, which is regarding the red blue color blindness. Okay, so for NTA they just mentioned option number 2 is correct. Okay, next is question ID 703098, for which they just mention option number 4, like statement B is correct, statement C is correct and statement D is also correct. Okay, because a statement A is wrong because they are asking to give correct statement, because fate of EMS blastomere is conditionally specified, but here they had given autonomously. Okay, next is 703087, where they just mention option number 2 is correct like that they just mentioned. Many students are demanding option A is also correct. Okay, but please understand it is 3' to 5' exonuclease activity of DNA polymerase will be holding a proofreading activity, but here they just mention 5' to 3'. Rest of the things are correct only, because imbalanced intracellular concentration of 4 DNTPs and intracellular, if there is more number of ribonucleotides, then ultimately there will be incorporation of ribonucleotide into the DNA. And next, if removal of incorrectly incorporated nucleotide by mismatch repair system, that's also a correct statement. Okay, so answer given by NTA is absolutely correct. Next, next question that was challenged by students 703139. So for which NTA has mentioned option number 1 is correct. So there is nothing wrong in this particular option. So if you had challenged this particular question, please do tell me for which particular reason you had challenged this particular question. Okay, next is question number 703035. I don't know why student has challenged this particular question. For NTA just mentioned option number 1 is correct, but many student has challenged this particular question ID also. Next is this particular question number 703066. Okay, they just mentioned incorrect statement. Which are the following in incorrect statement, and many students are telling option number 4 is also incorrect, but I have referred various research articles where they just mentioned RFLP and SSR are multi-allelic tick mark. Like they mentioned, the rest of the thing is also correct. So the correct answer for this question is option number 1, which is incorrect. Rest of the 4 statements are absolutely correct. Next is this particular question, like 703084. For me, every option is correct. Like option they just mentioned, except B, all the 3 options are correct. Like they just mentioned. Okay, because 3 it is TTA GGG, but here they had given a GGG 4G. They had mentioned, but telomeres in human ourselves they have TTA GG. Okay, so these are the list of questions that was challenged by students. This is with regarding to shift 1. In very soon I will be uploading list of questions that was challenged by shift 2.